How can you get over prospecting anxiety? As a real estate agent, there's probably one task you hate doing more than any other, and that's prospecting. Whether you're cold calling, whether you're knocking on doors, or talking to strangers at open houses, prospecting is kind of awkward sometimes. But here's the thing, is that it's absolutely necessary to prospect if you want to grow your business. There's 3 ways to get over this anxiety. 1, bring value to every single call or every single conversation. How do you do that? You give people information on the value of their home up front. Let people know about the market. Let people know that you're an expert in the market and that you understand what's going on. Another thing is offering service providers for other things that they may need done in their home. Coming with value right off the beginning, that's a way that you can show value right away. Number 2, don't be someone you're not. Sounding like a robot and being prepared are 2 different things. I think sales scripts are very important. They help you become prepared. They help you become confident. They help you get your point across quickly. But you have to make that your own. You have to internalize that. That comes through practice and repetitive behavior, doing it over and over and over. And then it becomes your own. It becomes more authentic and it becomes more you. So being yourself on a call is really important. Number 3, don't be afraid of failure. They say only 2% of cold calls actually turn into a prospect, right? That's not even an appointment. That's a successful call. That's having a conversation with somebody that says that they're willing to do something at some point and that they don't have a real estate agent. So the thing is, you are going to come across people that are rude and people that don't want your help and don't want you to call them and don't want you to talk to them. But the thing of it is over time, if you have 1 to 2 wins out of 100, that actually grows traction. Every single person I know in Kentucky, probably 1 or 2 conversations away from a cold call. I mean, I literally met the majority of the people I know through cold calling. That's how I grew my business. So one last tip, just get started. Just pick up the phone and start calling people. These tips, they'll help you start prospecting like a pro. You're gonna have to practice and you're gonna have to do this over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Find someone else that's in the same position you're in or doing a little bit better than you are. Ask them if they'd like to role play and do some practice with you. If you ever want someone to practice with, I'm down to practice anytime. You can cold call me. With these 3 points, you'll be a pro in no time.